back to my channel, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. Today is going to be a very excited video, as you have already known from the title. Today's video is going to be a SSS haul, street style store, I think. Yeah, it's a haul. I just got 3 things, like the 7.99 3 for 7.99 wala thing, because this is my first time shopping from SSS and I don't know what was the quality, and there were really mixed reviews in the YouTube. So I thought, let's just see how everything works, and then I can buy more if I like them. So if you're interested to know my review, then please keep on watching. The first thing, that is this top I'm wearing. This is the top. This is a V-shaped top. It has a really nice lining. This lining is really beautiful, and the sleeves are, I don't understand how the sleeves, it's a little bit weird, and this is in the size XL, by the way. Everything is in the size XL, and the only thing I didn't like about this top is I just flashed the picture here and there. You can see जैसे दिखाया गया था, the expected is it's not like that. I am a little bit disappointed for that, and I don't understand. Like, it's not bad, so I can walk with it, but I just wanted a top like that really looks different, and the which I received, it's totally different. Let's come to the pant. The next thing is this pant. This is how it looks, and it has come with a rope like this. Okay, I don't know from where will I start with this pant, because this was red color when I ordered it. I'll just click the picture or screenshot somewhere in the screen so that you can see. This was red color, and this is like just brown. I don't understand. It's not a bad color, but this is not the color I wanted. I wanted red and I got brown. It's not only about the color of this pant, but it's also about its seat. You see this? This is really weird, you guys. If you can see this, ये ना आप जब पहनोगे तो ये ऐसे ऊपर हो जाए. It looks really weird, and this is in the size XL. This should fit me because 34 का jeans मुझे ढीला होता है, so this should fit me properly. But एक अजीब से size है जो कि अजीब सा fit बैठता है, which I don't know if I am gonna wear this anywhere. I just don't know. There is a really beautiful ruffle material here around it, which is really good, and you get a belt so that आप बांध सकते हो. You can do designs with this belt and whatever. And this is another t-shirt that I have got from SSS. This is a really nice ribbed material t-shirt. This is in the light pink because I don't have a color like this, so I got it. I really like this color. I like the material. It's not bad. this सब XL size में है. मुझे basically XL size थोड़ा ढीला होता है, but ढीला in the sense like हर जगह से बहुत ढीला होता है. In most of the brands मुझे XL बहुत ढीला होता है. I think this is the only top which showed and is the same. The thing they showed it and it is the same, because I ordered a lot from Urbanic and Myntra, so they just give the product which it is shown. It's when we're shopping online, I just want the brands to send the things that is shown. That is all I need, and this is the only thing that that was correct. 3 of them cost me for rupees 7.99, which is basically rupees 260 for one top. And for the price you are paying, I think it's fine. It's okay. I can walk with it. The fitting is just not perfect in all sizes, I feel, and it's fine. I think it's मेरा बॉडी भी थोड़ा अजीब टाइप का है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, you cannot blame that. And yeah guys, with this, will I be buying from SSS again? I don't know. Maybe for t-shirts, but for pants, no, I'll not be buying any pants from SSS. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification, so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah guys, I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, bye.